Eskute V300 Review, Best High-Performance Electric Bike Worth Buying. In this video, we're taking an in-depth look at the Eskute V300 to see whether it's really worth buying. We'll cover its design, performance, battery life, ride quality, and overall value so you can decide if it's the right electric bike for your needs. Let's start with the design. The Eskute V300 features a rugged frame with wide tires designed for both city streets and light off-road riding. Its modern styling, upright riding position, and integrated display make it suitable for commuting as well as recreational rides. The bike is also equipped with front suspension to improve comfort over uneven roads. Now let's talk about performance. The V300 is built to deliver strong acceleration and enough power for everyday riding. Owners report that it handles hills confidently and provides smooth pedal assistance, making it suitable for commuting, weekend rides, and mixed terrain. Depending on the version sold in your region, the motor power and top speed may vary to comply with local regulations. Battery life is another important factor. Real-world range depends on rider weight, terrain, riding mode, weather, and speed. Most riders can expect significantly longer range when using lower pedal assist levels, while using full power or throttle continuously will reduce overall range. Owners generally report satisfactory battery performance for daily commuting. When it comes to ride comfort, the V300 performs well thanks to its suspension fork and wide tires, which help absorb bumps and improve stability. The upright riding position also makes longer rides more comfortable for many users. Setting up the bike is straightforward. After assembly, fully charge the battery before your first ride. Check that the handlebars, pedals, brakes, and tires are securely installed, then adjust the saddle height to match your riding position. Before riding, inspect the brakes and tire pressure to ensure everything is working properly. For maintenance, keep the chain clean and lubricated. Inspect the brakes regularly, check tire pressure before longer rides, and recharge the battery using the original charger. It's also a good idea to tighten important bolts periodically, especially during the first few weeks of ownership. Now let's discuss the pros and cons. The biggest strengths of the Eskute V300 are its attractive price, comfortable ride, good battery performance for everyday use, and strong overall value. Riders also appreciate its smooth acceleration and solid performance for commuting. On the downside, some owners mention that customer support can be slow to respond, and taller riders may find the frame slightly compact depending on the bike's size and configuration. Like many budget-friendly e-bikes, the final setup may require minor adjustments after delivery. So, is the Eskute V300 worth buying? If you're looking for an affordable electric bike with solid performance, comfortable riding characteristics, and enough range for daily commuting or weekend adventures, the Eskute V300 offers excellent value for the money. However, if you want premium suspension, high-end components, or dealer-level after-sales service, you may need to consider a more expensive model. Here's a pro tip. After assembling your new e-bike, ride it gently for the first few trips and recheck all bolts, brake adjustments, and tire pressure. This simple inspection helps ensure a safer and smoother riding experience. And that's our complete review of the Eskute V300. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more electric bike reviews and buying guides. And let me know in the comments which e-bike you'd like me to review next.